Hi, I'm Paul Pasolka, IB Masters Learning Center at ibmasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 12th question from Digital SAT, Test 2, Module 2B. This is the hardest set of math questions. Number 12 reads, what is the sum of solutions to the given equation? The very easiest way to do this is just plug it into Desmos. If you plug it into Desmos, what's it look like? Whoops. There's your Desmos. 2.6 repeated and 7. So the sum, you just got to add them. 2.6 repeated plus 7 is going to give you 9.6 repeated. So you could bubble it in as 9.666 or 9.667. That's acceptable ways to plug it in. Do not round it off. You got to start to the left. There's 5 spaces, bubble in. Well, not bubble, but type in everything you could fit to the right. You could either cut it off or round it off. If you plug in 9.67 or 9.66, it will be marked wrong. So use all 5 of those spaces to bubble in. If you bubbled in the fraction, it's going to be 29/3. Now, could you do this by hand? Sure you could. If you want to stick around, check out the by hand solution. If I distribute the x, what I get is x squared plus x minus 56 equals, and if I distribute the right side, I get 4x squared minus 28x. I always like my x squared to be positive, so I'm going to subtract x squared from both sides. Cancels here. Subtract x from both sides. Cancels there. Add 56 to both sides. So quadratics, you should always set equal to 0. Cancels there. What I get is 3x squared minus 29x plus 56 equals 0. Now, could you take the long way and factor this whole thing and then do the sum of solutions? You can, but here's a trick. If you just do negative b over a, you have the sum of solutions. And I'm talking about when you're in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Your negative b is going to be a negative, and then your b is negative 29. And your a, so that's your b right here, and your a, you can see here is 3. And a negative 29 is a positive 29. So it's just 29/3, like we said. So, yeah, I think Desmos is, if you didn't have to do math on this, like add or subtract from both sides, then maybe the by-hand solution, the by-hand solution would be easier. You could just look at it and know the answer. But since you do have to do a little rearranging, Desmos might be a little bit easier for this particular question. Thanks for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty, who doesn't know these shortcuts for sum of solution. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video. When you go to IB Masters Learning Center on TikTok, you're going to go to the playlist and then Test 2, Module 2B, and the shorter videos are going to be just below these longer videos. Have a great day.